In 1938, at New Hardenberg, 70 kilometers east of Berlin, a massive tongue of fire erupted from the tail of an He-112. We are about to witness the first flight of a rocket-powered aircraft. This story began much earlier, in 1934, when Wernher von Braun developed a rocket using concentrated alcohol and liquid oxygen, and became intrigued by the idea of a rocket-powered aircraft. Despite skepticism from the Reich Air Ministry and many experts about the feasibility of the project, thanks to the support of Ernst Heinkel, who provided several He-112 aircraft, a lengthy phase of testing and trials began. The first breakthrough came in 1937 when expert test pilot Erich Warsitz ignited the engine. Despite the fuselage being on fire, he demonstrated the feasibility of the project. At this point in the story, Helmut Walter enters the scene. He proposed a different design of engine to Heinkel, powered by hydrogen peroxide and calcium permanganate. Unlike von Braun's engine, which used direct combustion, Walter's engine produced hot fumes through a chemical reaction, ensuring thrust with greater pilot safety. Not only did this engine power the first flight, but it also became the basis for numerous pioneering projects in aviation history, such as the Heinkel He-176 and the Messerschmitt Me-163 Kamei. Furthermore, it proved the skeptics wrong regarding concerns about center of gravity shifts and instability in rocket-powered aircraft. The He-112, the aircraft that lost the bid to equip the Luftwaffe with a modern fighter plane alongside the Me-109, proved to be an excellent subject for this experiment. It was a good aircraft utilizing the Jumo 210E engine, with inline cylinders and a high-altitude compressor. With a fuel capacity of about 320 liters, it had significant autonomy. The pilot's cockpit provided a wide field of vision. Despite the failure in the bidding competition, 82 units were sold to various countries. It lost the competition due to its rounded lines, which, despite aerodynamic efficiency, made production expensive. Moreover, the retractable landing gear folded completely into the wing, complicating maintenance and the replacement of damaged wings, thereby violating the competition's requirements.